I got a new package today, so I'm going to show you a haul I got from Unity Stamps. So, here's my new Unity Stamps package. They sent me this free. Hold on, let me move this. And these are like little, I think it's Mother's Day. It says the love between a mother and daughter knows no distance. The love between a mother and son knows no distance. A mother's love can't be measured. A mother's like a flower, each one beautiful and unique. The loveliest masterpiece of the heart of God is the heart of a mother. These are so cute. And then I also got these. It's a like some little tags I can cut out. Anyway, I got those free. But look at this, you guys. Oh, let me take it out of the plastic because it always makes it better. Oh, Woofy Holidays. Oh, now see, this is the only thing about this is kind of glossy. They're glossy, but look at that. I love it. Look at the dogs. So anyway, I'm going to make up some Christmas dog cards. I thought it would be so cute. And this one's called Woofy Holidays. And I got this from Unity Stamps. Okay, so now I got another one. And this one, I got two. This one is Catmas Party. So these are cats. These are kitty cats. Look, you guys. I know I'm obsessed with animals, right? Who's not? Who can't be obsessed with animals? Look at those colors. These are going to be cute Christmas cards, too. Catmas cards. So I got those. And I got that one. And I got these stamps. These are Rescue Tails and Happy Trails. These are just sentiments, okay? So it says, let the tail wagging begin. Pause and applause for your new addition. Welcome to the pack. Rescue love is the best love. Your home just got much happier. Congrats on your new furry friend. And you gave love and got it back. So there's those. It's just fonts. But I love that. I love it. All right. So then my other one is I got this Possum Peepers. And these are Hot Diggity Dog and You Did It. So this is a bunch of different little puppies, you guys. So I'm going to try to, I don't know all my dogs, but I think that's a Boston Terrier. I think this is a Pomeranian. That might be a Dachshund. This might be a Shih Tzu, but I'm not sure. And this is probably a Chihuahua. I think that might be maybe a Cocker Spaniel. This might be a Corgi. And I don't know what this one is. I don't know what that is, guys. But there it is. All these little dogs. I thought it'd be cute. So I told it, I'm an animal thing. This one's called Curious Canines. Now, I think this is a boxer. That might be a Rottweiler. That's a Basset Hound. I think one of these is a, oh my gosh, what do they call them? Oh, a Cocker Spaniel. No, not a Cocker Spaniel. Well, there's a German Shepherd. I think that might be a Great Dane. And this is I'm not even sure. But this dog and this dog, those are those hunting dogs. I can't think of the name of them. Anyway, there's all of those. So now I have a mixture of a bunch of different puppies that are different. They're all different. So that's my haul from Unity Stamps. I got this all from Unity Stamps because I wanted some doggy things, and I loved these Christmas. This I wasn't planning on getting, but these were just so cute. So there it is, and then I got these free. So, all right, you guys, remember, family forever, stay positive, enjoy life, and I hope you like my haul.